Oh my God.
Mysterious lights were spotted Thursday night over Brushy Creek and Cat Hollow.
Definitely isn't a plane.
This video was sent to Fox 7 by Gus McGiven. He was out walking with his friend Kyle Gomez near Cat Hollow.
In real life, when you see it, it's like a lot brighter than it actually is.
There's something right there.
It's mesmerizing, honestly. It was so silent, because if it was one light, then I would have maybe thought, oh, a helicopter, a plane, something like that. But like, there was so many of them together.
Emily White says she and a friend were near Brushy Creek at the time.
Did you think that you were having a close encounter?
I'll be honest, kind of. I don't know if I believe in all that, but I don't know, maybe I hear a lot of it in like America that kind of things happens. I think it's just because of like, it didn't make any noise at all, which I just thought was really odd. But yeah, I definitely felt like there might have been an alien invasion or something on the way, but yeah.
I can't tell what it is, but it's...
I never believed in UFOs or anything like that, but like, I mean, yeah. I might now. I don't know. I'm not sure.
I would have to say there's nothing extraterrestrial involved with this, but I am not to say that that couldn't be a possibility.
Drone expert Gene Robinson reviewed the video sent to Fox 7.
My initial take on this is that it is very likely a drone-based phenomenon.
What on earth?
At one point, the lights zoomed off.
Oh, what did I just freaking see, dude? What was that?
By the time you realize, like, what you're actually, like, looking at, it's not even there.
They are so fixed and tight. Some people assume that that's a laser. Could a laser do that? But it doesn't seem like that there's anything that the lasers are reflecting off of.
That's pretty unlikely. So I'm still thinking that this may be someone testing their do-it-yourself drone swarm.
A drone swarm is essentially a big light show. They started popping up about 2 years ago. Drone swarms can fill the sky like these that flew over Shanghai in 2020. Galveston had one for a 4th of July event. In March at South by Southwest, a drone swarm also generated a lot of buzz.
Pretty much expect this to be the future of night light shows, is these drones are going to be swarmed in, as we've seen, 100, 200, 300 drones.
I don't know what it really was.
I know. It could have been drones. It could have been anything.
It was mesmerizing, honestly. It was so silent.
Well, it was certainly a light show last night. Now, the FAA requires a waiver to fly at night, especially in a swarm situation configuration. Officials with the agency, I contacted them. They are checking for me if anyone had filed for a waiver last night and if a waiver was even granted. Round Rock Police, I contacted them. I asked them if they got any calls, and they said no, they didn't get any calls to dispatch in regards to the lights last night. Now back to you in the studio.